Hello everyone, I hope you are all having fantastic time, fantastic day. Today I will be reviewing another expert advisor. It is called GoldUxe MT4 or GoldUxe, however you want to pronounce it. Now recently we see a trend of some expert advisor of robot that are specified for gold and having fantastic result. For example, when we have gold picker, it doubled my account in just I believe 13 days and I was able to withdraw my profit. The only thing it was due to the MT4 update, and what happened, the AI stopped working because I needed update on occasionally. So currently gold picker, we are just pausing it for the moment. Once the update is available, I will provide it for all my customers for free and it will resume my trading journal. So for this EA, GoldUxe, it is a scalper EA, work on 5-minute chart. It has two set files, so you will open chart 1 and chart 2 and then you will load set file to each one accordingly. Now recommended broker, I always recommend Fusion, but in this case I think Exness would be better, and I will say you why I believe currently Exness is the best broker at the time. And the AI does use Martingale unfortunately, but it does not use grid. That is the case with many gold EA because gold is volatile commodity, is volatile pair. You cannot depend on classical market analysis such as support, resistance, trends and reversal, whatever, all the price action. It does not work with gold. It is very volatile. Each trade has stop loss, take profit, minimum deposit 500. We have live signal, and in the end of this video what I will do, I will test this EA on demo. So each time that from now on I am recording a video, I will put this account into my FX box, so you will be able at the time, maybe 1 month after this video, you will be watching this and you will be wondering what happened with EA. So whether the result goes very good or bad, you will be able to see it in both ways, because we want to be transparent, we want to be accountable for our audience, and we want to be original. So that's why after each time I review a video, I will put this into the testing on demo. Of course, once demo is passed, then I will put it into live, so I show you that I use this EA myself. I do not only sell it, I want to prove it to you. Even if it costs me to lose money, that's okay, because that is what I am here to do for you and for this channel. So we have this GoldUxe EA on MT4. We have V2, no DLL needed. That is very good. Now the price is 14 US dollar in comparing to 1000. Here we have brief description of how many time it trade. The GoldUxe work one pair, and unfortunately it does use Martingale. It is not a classical, but in a way it does use it, and it is fully automated and etc. Now going back to our review on the live signal, so you can see this EA worked on 1000 US dollar deposit, and you can see through 2 years from 2020, or maybe 1 year from November of 23 until now, which is I believe 5 or 6 months, you can see this massive increase of the profit, and he was able to convert 1000 into 15,000 basically in only few months, and this is very possible. And I know it is risky, but everything is risky in the life. So drawdown was 32%, basically got a lot of profit. At this moment I will recommend he withdraw his profit maybe, and then only leave with 10k. That will be more. And you can see at this point he reached, like, I think this was the top of 1.6, and that, let me show you only in profit. Yeah, that was like one of the top profit he made, and now we have some drawdown, but it is getting recovered. So this is basically what we can see. The average holding time is only 16 minutes. This is very good, and you can see the average probability of win rate is 86%. So we have 86% win rate in comparing to losses. The only problem here we have is the average loss is bigger than average win, because he is using Martingale. And also we have the best trade, the worst trade, we have recovery factor. This is very good, and we have the expectancy. So all of this or is good. However, I just want to focus on how much he made. So for 2023, you can see in 1 month he made 241%. This is very amazing. Of course, it's risky. The other month he made 74%, and the following month he made 100, and now he is reducing the risk. So what I can see from his trade, obviously, that this is a scalper, and this is very high scalper. You need fast VPS, low latency, ECN account. I will give you what my recommendation will be. Now, the reason why I say this is Martingale, because you can see at this time we have a stable lot size, right? We don't have any grid. However, whenever we have a losing trade, the following trade will increase it by 3 factors. So this 3 factor is Martingale, obviously, and you can see the pattern. You can read it, you can study it. This is very similar. You can see we have 3 losing trades, and we have the following one, we have also increasing of the lot size. So that means the AI is using this technique. However, it is very profitable at this moment, I think, because we don't know. It could burn out, it could be myth, it could be wrong. We have been wrong in many cases, and we have been right in many AI as well, but we don't know until we test it ourselves. Now we have another one on live as well on IC markets. So if you have IC market, this is good for you. We have 21% drawdown, and the EA is getting a lot of profit. We don't know how much he made, but we can see the result. We have lower risk size comparing to the other signal, of course, but this is still good. I mean, he's making decent amount of money, I think, because the duration is very short. We have 7 minutes, we have 1 minute, so that means this is a scalper EA, and it only work on gold. So it is what it is. Now, the reason why I want to emphasize that why it's important you use Exness, because we have Exness new account called Pro. So this Pro will give you the exact or the instant transaction as per market. So for example, let me just show this in demonstration. Let me reduce this to 001. So let's say we have sell, and just to give you what this is about. So if we sell it, you can see we got instantly. We don't have any spread, we don't have anything like that. So that's why this is very important. You get exact amount of the price. So I just sell it here, you will get here. You will not get any spread. So that means this transaction will not go through intermediate broker. It will be directly to the market, which I think this is revolutionary solution for the scalper. That's why I believe that this type of account will work on this EI called GoldUxe or any other scalper. So let me close this while it is in profit. Now what we will do, we will just use this into the chart. I have the guidance available for this EA. We simply try to load the set file. This is for chart 1. So let me just get some risk. So for the risk, I would say that it is better to start at 1, recovery will be 3, maximum risk, I think this should be maybe 5 to reduce it. Lot size that we can start with 0.02, that would be better. So you can manipulate all these settings and use it on demo to see how this is working. Now this is disclaimer. If there is any bug with this EA, please don't use it on live directly. We don't know. I don't know myself. So that's why I'm testing it. If there is a bug, I don't know. So when someone purchases me and say why you are selling this EA that has bug or it has some sort of error. Brother, I don't know. We are unlocking hundreds of EAs. I cannot test all of them. So please use it by yourself. Try to be more analytical than emotional. Study the market. Be creative. Be whatever you want to be. Just make sure you first test it on demo. And if it works, then why not? So now we will open this auto trading. We will make sure that we have enabled DLL at this setting. Then we will wait for the trading. So I will share this account with you on my FX book, so you can monitor it and see what this happen, whether it loses or it win. At least you will be able to see this EI before deciding to purchase it. So my conclusion, overall, we have pros, we have cons. The EI has live account. We have two live accounts. The EA is very profitable and it seems to be working well. On the other side, it uses Martingale and recovery factor. It is different name for Martingale basically, and we don't know if it is going to work on all broker. We have lower average holding time. This is very amazing and one of my favorite EAs that I like to have lower time. So based on that, I would say the EA will have 3.7 star at the moment until we test it by ourselves from out of 5. I think this is fair rating for this EA, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.